Hello guys, welcome back to Asad Take and Reviews. In today's video, we'll be doing an in-depth look into one of the most powerful Android tablets getting a lot of attention in the budget to mid-range category, the Pichibo Android 14 tablet with an 11-inch 2K display. Before diving into the performance and features, let's have a quick word about the unboxing experience. Inside the box, you get the tablet itself, stylus pen for note-taking and drawing, a USB Type-C charging cable, a USB Type-C OTG adapter that allows you to connect external devices like a mouse or pen drive, and a protective tablet cover or sleeve. All in all, it's quite a generous bundle of items inside the box, with everything you might want or need for a complete setup right out of the box. Now, let's go to the tablet itself. It comes fitted with 18GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage, expandable up to 1TB, a large high-resolution display, and runs on Android 14 out of the box. But the real question is it actually worth your money? And who is this tablet really made for? Let's find out. The tablet comes with a design other than the typical tablet design and appears quite premium compared to its pricing. It feels sturdy in the hand, and the quality of the design is sufficient enough for day-to-day use. It comes with a slim and lightweight design which makes it portable and thus suitable for use by students, offices, or traveling purposes. It comes with functional design and doesn't look cheap at all. One of the best things about the tablet is its display. With the 11-inch 2K Full HD Plus display, which looks very vibrant and colorful, the display has good viewing angles, and the display quality is excellent. The display has a good resolution, and a display of such a massive size adds to the multimedia experience. However, the display type is not AMOLED. As such, you may not be treated to blacks. But given the category of the device, the display quality is more than satisfactory. Performance is handled by an octa-core processor clocked at up to 2.0 GHz, paired with 18GB of RAM including virtual RAM expansion. For real-world uses, this feels quite smooth and responsive on the tablet. Basic tasks such as web browsing, social media, video streaming, and online meetings run without any problems. Mid-tier casual games such as Free Fire, Subway Surfers, and Asphalt SQ games run quite smoothly at medium settings. This surely is not a tablet meant for hardcore gaming, but for normal users, performance is reliable. In terms of memory and storage, the tablet offers 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 1TB using a microSD card. You will have ample space for applications, movies, study materials, documents, photos, and videos, a great deal especially for students and consumers of content. The tablet runs on Android 14, and the user interface feels clean and easy to navigate. Multitasking features like a split screen work smoothly, and you get full access to Google services and the Play Store, so app compatibility is not an issue. Camera performance is decent for a tablet. On the back, there is a 13-megapixel camera that's good enough for scanning documents, taking quick photos, and occasional video recording. On the front, you get a 5-megapixel camera, which works well for online classes, Zoom meetings, and video calls. The camera quality is not flagship level, but it's perfectly usable for everyday needs. Audio quality is another positive point. The tablet comes with stereo speakers that produce loud and clear sound. Watching movies, listening to music, or attending online classes feels enjoyable. And using headphones and external speakers can further improve the experience. Battery life is solid thanks to the large 9000 mAh battery. With normal uses like browsing, video streaming, and online classes, the tablet can easily last a full day or even more on a single charge. Battery optimization is decent, and standby drain is minimal. Charging is done through a USB Type-C port, which is always a welcome feature. So, to wrap things up, the Pichibo Android 14 tablet is a well-balanced device that offers a large 2K display, plenty of RAM, good battery life, a clean Android experience, and useful accessories including in the box. It's a great option for students, online learners, and anyone looking for a budget-friendly tablet for entertainment and productivity. However, if your main priority is heavy gaming or flagship level performance, this may not be best choice for you. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments that what you think about this tablet. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.